Hi, Team Safeguarding. Today we would want to give Eric Omondi his flowers for starting his challenge today, for walking from Nairobi to Mombasa, 4 days, starting today the 10th, and he will arrive in Mombasa on the 14th during Valentine's. I want to say this is a great challenge that Eric Omondi has embarked on, and what a surprise to many Kenyans. Eric Omondi is a great man, anapenda watoto sana. He's definitely doing this because of vulnerable children and adults, and he wants to build a foundation. And what a challenge to undertake. This is not different from what Trufena Modhoni did in the 72 hours Guinness World Record of hugging a tree. Um, However, I know Kenyans are very good in what we call copying things. They copy and paste. Kenyans are very good. They are known in doing things after somebody's just done it. Eric Omondi released information about a week ago that he was going to start this challenge. And already today, there were some men that were talking about, I think they were riding, I don't know from wherever, I don't know, Kisumu or Nakuru. They were riding from somewhere saying they are heading to Amunyoro. They are heading to His Excellency Rigathi Gashagua's place to come and see him. Before Eric said he was going to do this challenge of walking from Nairobi to Mombasa, nobody had ever said he was going to do a challenge of riding the bike or whatever or walking. But believe you me, after Eric is completed this, or even before he completes this, you're going to see people. Kenyans are very good in copying, like I'm saying. You're going to see Kenyans saying they are walking from Kisumu to this place. They are walking for this. Some will say they are walking because of Raila. Some they say they are walking because of this and this. They are walking because of this. That is what Kenyans do. Kenyans, a lot of Kenyans. I mean, we saw how the Trufena Modhoni tree hugging challenge was manipulated, and everybody was hugging trees everywhere, and people are not hugging the tree at night. They were just going to sleep, and then they will quickly come and start recording during the day. You can throw your stones if you need to, but some people, that is exactly what they were doing. But Eric Omondi here is doing one of the things that has not been done because of children and people who are vulnerable. Team Safeguarding can only say well done, Eric Omondi and your team. And definitely we are standing in solidarity with you on this. That Sisi kwa Sisi Foundation must manifest that go down, may be bought so that you can have that warehouse, you can have the 2 ambulances, you can have a secondary school that is free, and all these things that you're trusting God for children who are in need and all that. Well done, Eric Omondi. Well done. I would like to encourage every Kenyan and every individual that loves children around the world. Please donate to Eric Omondi's Sisi Kwa Sisi Foundation. If I'm going to link his Facebook page here, so that then if you are touched by what he's doing, he's recording live. Today he recorded live. I think he started today in Nairobi around Nyayo Stadium area, and I think he walked for about 63 kilometers all the way to around Machakos area. I think that's where they are spending the night, and then he's gonna start his walk again tomorrow morning. I don't know if they are doing overnight, but I'm not sure. I don't think they are doing overnight because definitely they have to rest. Otherwise, those are almost 400 and something kilometers. It's not a joke. So please feel free to go or to log into, click on Eric Omondi's page, and please, once you click, you will see his Sisi Kwa Sisi Foundation is right there. He's recording live. You can follow his page, but you also, what is important, you can support him. He's talking about you can buy a mile. You can support him with anything that you have, whether you're in Kenya, Tanzania, US, South Africa, Egypt, anywhere, Kazakhstan, anywhere, Australia, Canada, Europe, anywhere, Middle East, you can support him. You can put something for him. You can walk a mile with him you can buy stuff if you are locally, even if you are outside diaspora. I know that you can buy something whether it's cement or whatever it is that you can buy that will help the cause. We are praying for Erick Omondi's strength and ability, especially his feet and mental status, for him to be able to cope all the way to Mombasa. Please share this challenge if you can. And, of course, support this because it's a very good cause for children. I know there are people that are saying, "Oh, how are we gonna know if he's fundraising, his accountability and all that?" But Erick Omondi this is not the first time he's doing this. He's always very genuine, and his accountability is known. So it's not a worry that Erick Omondi is already loaded. He's got his own money, so he doesn't need to be fundraising for his own stomach. He's already blessed. This is all about children and vulnerable individuals. So it's a challenge that I approve myself, and I say, please do support him so that then he can be encouraged to walk. He's got 3 more days to go, and therefore he needs every support and all the way. Please do not forget to follow my page or subscribe if you find this on my YouTube.